Yo! What is up, guys? What is up, everybody? What's going on, man? You guys like the new setup, bro? You guys like the new stream setup, bro? Shit's fire. New stream setup jumping. Alright, hold on. Let me send the live to everybody. Make sure everybody in here. And boom. Okay. So. Yeah, I had to delay the live a little bit. Somebody goes, is that Shinobi 720? Bro, ain't no way he's LARPed it that much that people think it's his, right? Like, come on, bro. This is my 720, gang. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Unreal. Were you on the 22 today? No, I was not. What's up, bro? Don't know if you remember from last night. I went full port shorts on IQ last night. Oh, yeah. Are you up a stupid amount or what? How much are you up, bro? Okay, let me... Ooh, that's loud. Okay. Boom. Would I take this on fundeds? Yeah, maybe. I might. It depends. I have my, I have the apexes loaded up here. So, it's possible that I could. This setup is pretty fire, bro. I do like this setup. I will say, I do like this setup. It could go a little bit lower into this 4-hour Wixie. So it could go to the 4-hour Wixie, which if it does, then, you know, that's a better entry. But, I don't hate this entry here. I don't hate it at all. One thing to note, 1 hour fair value gap. Which means if we get a 5-minute change in state out of here, then that'll be a better setup for upside, right? So let's see if we can get, like, if we get a 5-minute change in state out of here to the upside, I'll take the long. I'll take the long instead. Thoughts about Blue Guardian? I like him, bro. I like them. You can use code KEY for Blue Guardian. I am partnered up with them as well. Yeah, this trade I may take it on fundeds. 3 micros, so boom, times 3, 54 total. Yeah, I'm not opposed to taking this on the fundeds. 15-minute CE. Yep, that's another one to watch as well. 15-minute CE is a good level to watch here. This is, what is this, 610.75? I had this earlier. For sure, good to watch. We can keep an eye on it. CE. CE is just midpoint. Wixie, that's midpoint. What about OTE? I don't use OTE personally, bro. Guys, does this sound good? I'm back on the warehouse setup for the first time in a while, so I just want to make sure the sound is good. Let me see how this sounds. Hello, hello, testing, testing. Hello, hello, testing, testing. Okay, alright, that's solid. Hello, hello. Solid, solid. We're good with that. What's the stop loss? On this trade, if it triggers me in on this 5-minute change in state of delivery, stop loss would be this low right here. Like the low that we put in right here. Did Apex increase PA pricing? It says 125 for me. That's the activation for the old evals. The old ones are still 125. The new ones are 90. Epic Fury combo back there. I know, bro. W combo. Best combo in the world, bro. How do you make the buffer on TPT accounts? Do you risk heavy or light? On TPT accounts, I risk a little heavier, bro. I risk a little heavier on TPT accounts. I'm not going to lie. Let me just disclose that I'm trading TPT accounts here. Before, somebody goes full porting. Okay. Now nobody should be full porting. Please, man. Alright. We may hit this 15 wick CE, this 610 wick CE. What's good? What's good? Yo, what do you guys like better? This stream setup or my house stream setup? What do you guys like better? Warehouse stream setup or house stream setup? I wonder, bro. This gives us hopes. That's funny. This has aura. Yo, what do you guys think would look better here though? The Raptor or the M3? I think I might put the M3 there. Need better lighting for the cars. I have the lights off right now, bro. The lights are completely off. But M3, 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 M3. Damn, everybody wants the M3 there more. Get the hex lights. I have hex lights up top. I just don't have them on because it might be too bright if I turn them on. All right, next time for next stream, I'm gonna put the M3 over here instead. So we'll have the Raptor, or sorry, 720 and the M3. Entry would be on a closure above this candle here. I mean, we might get it. We just have 2 minutes left to those closes, so I have to wait. Yeah, this is the new setup for now, Kev. New setup. I'll go back to the normal setup for probably a few days, because this entire floor back here and where I'm sitting, this entire area is gonna get the full like epoxy. So obviously won't be able to stream while that's happening. But once like all the epoxy's done, this is probably going to be the toughest stream setup that anybody has on YouTube, without a doubt, bro. Minute and some change left here. Do you call your trades on premium Discord for us to follow? Yeah. Show them. I don't see any SMT though. For this, it doesn't even need to, because first of all, we do have SMT, number one. Number two, I'm on eval, so it doesn't necessarily have to have SMT here. I'm on an eval, so it doesn't really matter too much. Does not really matter too much. Which one am I going to be trading here? This one. Okay, this is the one we're trading. All right, there's going to be a little more risk on the table. I don't know if it comes down to retest this. I don't know if it comes down. It's a good market entry right here, too. Let's see. Put it on the closure of this. How many micros is good trade on 50k eval? I trade minis on my 50k evals, guys. I only trade minis. I'm targeting this 1 hour gap up here, by the way. I think this reverses from this hourly gap. So if I do take any longs here tonight, that's where they stop. So it'll be to, what is this? 747.5. SMT is at these lows, bro. Equal lows with ES right here. All right, I'm tapped in. Stop loss at this low right here. Only doing TPT 50K evals on this trade here, guys. The Apex fundeds I will take if a short setup presents itself from this hourly gap up here. But for the upside, I'm going to take just on evals, bro. Just on my TPT evals. Nice cars, dude. Thanks, bro. Why the bearish 5-minute FVG not valid? It's not that the bearish 5-minute FVG is not valid. This isn't. It's not that this is invalid. But where is the delivery from? The delivery, we're getting a delivery from an hourly bullish gap. So what holds more weight, bearish 5-minute or a bullish hourly, right? Obviously bullish hourly. If we had like I mean, if this was like a 15-minute or another hourly, then I would give this weight. The only reason I'm not is because it's a 5-minute, right? 5-minute as opposed to 1 hour. That's the only reason. Now, it doesn't mean that this is invalid or won't play out. It's just, to me, I like this one more because it's the hourly, right? And actionable setup. Actionable setup and higher time frame. All right, we did hit the change in state level. Loki could have just saved the limit for that, but there's never a guarantee, especially when you get a strong closure away from it. Never a guarantee that it's going to come all the way back down and retest. By the way, the other entries long are going to be either potentially the 610.75 or this same 15-minute gap where we had the entry earlier, the 71.5 entry that we had earlier. Let me mark that, by the way. Mark this level, 71.5. This level. So these would be the other two entries long if this fails, which it looks like it might actually. Okay, that failed. Yeah, either the 610 or 571.5. We'll see which one. Let's see. Can we hit this 610? 610.75, I think, is like pretty much guaranteed here now at this point. We'll have some SMT here with ES now, like some stronger SMT now. I don't think I'm limiting 610, bro. I'll watch this. There's 610. No limit there for me. I'll watch it and see like what this does. But you don't have a ton of risk here at all if you wanted to take this. That was this low is your risk. So that's, what is that? 5.5 points. Pretty much no risk on the table. You know? But I do like this lower one a lot more, bro. I like 71.5 a lot more. So I'm gonna do limit there. 61.5 stop. That's underneath this 15 minute, so pretty much invalidation, right? Let's see what this does. Learning valuable lessons from your course. Thanks, bro. Morning, bro. Subscribed yesterday. Hell yeah, bro. Welcome, welcome. How long did it take you to be profitable? It took me like a year and a half, man. It took me a little bit to be profitable. Okay, looks like that this 15-minute wick CE is invalid, not really getting a bounce from there. So, looks like it's going to want to go to the 15-minute where I wanted it. One hour, we got to be careful with this 1 hour because this might inverse, right? If this 1 hour inverses, it's not the greatest look either. And also, we hit this 1 hour Wixie up here. This 1 hour Wixie was super, super nice. It hit that and reversed. So that's where this dump is coming from. But yeah, we'll see if maybe we can get a bounce from over here. I think it'd be a solid bounce if we can get it from here. We'll put in some low resistance liquidity. So nice LR, and then boom. Right? That's what I would like to see at least. If we can set up some LR, it would set us up very nicely for a move up. Why not take shorts to that level, bro? Would you take 571.5 on your fundeds? 571.5. Oh, this. We'll see. As it gets closer, I will see. I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna take that or not. Yeah, eval only. This, what you guys see here right now is only evals. This is just my evals. I struggle trading this time of night. Is it always like this? I remember nights where there was a lot of action before. Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's just weird now, bro. Like, that's just kind of how it is now. Unfortunately. But eventually, it'll get back to normal. Started fusion trading last December. I passed 3 evals, but blew 3 funded after being like $200 from payout every time. I want another eval again. Any advice, key, bro? Just size down, bro. The main reason why you guys, what are you doing? Oh, the main reason why you guys blow your evals or your fundeds so close to payout is because you guys are so focused on getting a payout that it gets to your head. And you end up blowing the account, right? Like, what good is that going to do? So don't be so focused on getting a payout. Just focus on taking good trades, and a payout will just naturally come. You know what I'm saying? How do you like Lucid? Lucid's great, bro. I'm a big fan of Lucid. I think it's awesome. Why is... Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. I fucked up for a second. Sweet stream setup. The Raptors fired. Thank you, bro. Thanks, Dennis. Can you do a top-down analysis? Honestly, there isn't much to analyze from the top down, bro. Like, to keep it a $1.50. This is just doing absolutely nothing. It's dog shit. It's the top is that it's trading inside of a range. It's ass. I can go even lower and lower and lower time frames. It's dog shit either way, right? Whichever way you look at it, it's ass. So that's why I'm just taking it like, bro, I'm taking it day by day, right? 4 hour candle by 4 hour candle. I'm not really worried about anything else. So yeah, it's just one 4 hour at a time, bro. 1 4 hour at a time. Have you start milking from Lucid? I haven't traded the Lucid fundeds yet, bro. Give me an answer, bro. I mean, I've answered like this exact question several times before, but if I plan out a trade, I don't just take a random ass bullshit trade going down towards it just because I have a limit there. That's not how it works. Background is the dream. Thanks, bro. Whatever day in AM session I barely survived, should stay away from that morning chop. Yeah, bro. I mean, I haven't really traded the mornings this entire week, basically. I haven't really traded the mornings at all. It's been way too shitty. Use code KEY for the background. True. Nasdaq seems to be in a range. It feels bear. Yeah, so I will say, I'm not fully convinced of a move up, bro. I'm not fully convinced of a move up. Buddy, in case nobody told you, for making these streams, I'm getting better so quick just by watching you. Love, buddy. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that, Sushi. You're really a good buddy, bro. You're the goodest little buddy. A V12 will look pretty back there. That's up next, bro. Up next, there will be a V12 back there for sure. 100%, 100%. Is Sushi even in premium? Nah, bro. Sushi's not even in premium. I don't think he is, at least. He's just here in the lives, bro. Use your Lucid to copy my metal trades. Okay, wait. Can you trade metal on Lucid? If you can, I'm down. I don't care. They're sitting there doing absolutely nothing. I'm down. Working myself, I don't trade. I see our video. Everything I feel is the same with different. It is. That's literally what it is, bro. That's why I can't take people serious who like shit on each other's strategies, bro. Who like make it their entire fucking personality to hate on a specific strategy. It's the dumbest thing in the world, bro, because they're literally all the same, just different names. That's it. So yeah, I mean, if I see a trade setup and I put a limit at that trade setup, that does not mean that I'm going to take a trade going towards that trade setup, if that makes any sense, right? Jamaica, what's up, Jamaica? When are we entering along? I have my limit here at 24,571.5. Guys, the only 15-minute change in state of delivery, by the way, for the record, that we have here, the only one that we have is the one to the upside. We have a 15-minute change in state to the upside from this 4-hour gap. This is what I'm saying. It just kind of looks, bro, like when you go to higher time frames, it just looks sketchy, bro. It looks kind of fucking, it looks a little sketch, to be honest with you. That's why I'm just going 1 4-hour at a time. That's it. I mean, this 10 a.m. has pushed into this 1 hour Wixie. So who knows? Maybe that's the high for that 10 a.m. I'm not entirely sure. But I am looking for a potential bounce here still at this 571. If we can get that, that would be great. What would happen that would make you invalidate this limit? Nothing. I mean, it's a 10-point stop loss on an eval. Like, it's fine. I'm going to take it either way. Should get a Viper in there, bro. Bro, eventually, one day, all the cars that you guys mentioned will be there, bro. But right now, unfortunately, I got enough for 3 cars, bro. I got the Raptor, I got the 720, I got the M3. I really... it would not be financially smart in my situation currently unless I start making a fuck ton more money to go and buy more cars. So, that 3-car setup is what we're rocking with. Only reason I'm watching you, you look honest and serious in what you're doing. Keep it up, bro. The knowledge you're giving is actually worth millions. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that, ZW. You're targeting along at 24,720. 24,720? No, 24,747.5 is a target for longs. I'm new here. Do you trade live every day? And is your course too complicated to understand? I do trade live every day. And go watch my 30-day mini-series that I have here on my YouTube. If you go to my playlist on my YouTube, you'll see it. And tell me if you think that that's too complicated to understand. $15 CE too low? No, it's not. It's not. It could bounce from there too. 15 CE could definitely bounce as well. You know any giveaways tonight? Just for everybody using code key, bro. Everybody using code key. By the way, I feel like I have to announce this because people don't remember or they don't know. But anybody who uses code key on any of the firms that are up there or in the description, you guys automatically get entered to win extra accounts. And at the end of the month, we announce 10 to 20 winners for the giveaways. Right now it's 10. I'm trying to get 10 more accounts from either Tradeify or Apex, one of the two. If they give me more, then more winners. The cars in the background are so cringy. Okay. What's your back? What car do you drive, buddy? Because I would assume when you say that, your car must really be, like, not cringy at all. Or your stream setup is probably, like, way less cringier. So let me know what yours looks like, bro. How many pay accounts do you have? I have 20. Yeah, I did sell the GT3. I did sell the GT3, bro. Yes. No live giveaways? I will do live giveaways as well. What do you consider that 15-minute CISD on a break of a bearish candle? I'm talking about the bullish 15-minute CISD right here. This is a bullish 15-minute CISD. The only reason this is not a bearish... Okay, let me see if you guys know. All right, let me see if you guys know. Why is this not a change in state? Why is this not a valid 15-minute change in state of delivery? Does anybody know? Does anybody know why this is not a valid change in state of delivery? There you go. Damn, bro. W, I taught you guys well, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go. There is no PD array here. There is no PD array for it to be a valid change in state of delivery. So the bearish change in state here on the 15 that you guys see is not a valid change in state of delivery. This is a pattern. This is what you call a pattern, right? This is, if you just follow this and you call this a change in state of delivery, then this is pattern trading, right? This has this change in state. There's really no substance behind this setup here, okay? No PD array means no valid change in state. So, yeah. The only valid one would be this one because we have the 4-hour gap sponsoring that, right? Very good, very good. PD, what is PDA? A PDA, just PD array, premium discount array. It just means fair value. In this case, I'm really just talking about fair value gaps. So just fair value gap, that's it. For me, I believe this screams bullish until 1 hour VG, but the market is crazy. I agree. I think this, for me, the best look is that it looks bullish until 1 hour VG, yeah. But you are right. This market is a little fucking insane, so who knows? You're a good teacher, bro. I remember so much from these lives. Thanks, man. That's the goal, bro, is to just drill this information into you guys' head. You're smart, buddy. Am I a pattern trader if I took that 15, the bullish 15 CSD at 11:30 this morning? Oh, this one? No. No, this was a good setup because it was out of a 4-hour gap. It was out of the same 4-hour gap. Keep drilling us, Keyflow, bro. Brother, chill. Do you trade gold as well? 9 trades gold. Yo, 9, Elijah, bro. You need to change your username on YouTube. Why the fuck is it user525million, bro? Change your username. Look presentable. Alright? You're part of the team. Act like it. And change your name to something that's not user ZZ3KP3VY6D, bro. What are we doing? Come on, bro. I like to be anonymous, bro. You're not anonymous. I've given you up already, bro, to everybody. You ever go through a cycle where PA was this ass? When do you think it'll get cleaner? Yes, bro, I have. Absolutely, 100%. The first, when this initially turned from a bull market to a bear market back in... This was right here, bro, 2021. This was cancer to trade right here. This was disgusting, bro. This whole move down, it was so nasty. I don't know if anybody was trading at this time. This was disgusting to trade, okay? This was actually my first red year ever. This is definitely not any better. Matter of fact, I think that this is worse because we've been doing this for much longer than this, right? In here, we were chopping around for almost 2 months, right? Almost 2 months before this actually started making a move. Here, it has now been 133 days, 19 weeks, bro. 133 fucking days that it's been like this. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I've traded price action that's this bad, you know, to some degree, but this is for sure the worst that I've traded, 100%. The only thing I think that would be comparable to this was the election year, November election year. So 2024, that like post-summer to the end of the year was disgusting. That was absolutely horrible as well. I'd take a bear market over the shit. But the thing is that this is a bear market, right? Like by every standard, this is and should be a bear market. It's just heavily manipulated by Trump, right? I mean, Trump will come on and he'll say the random is bullshit. The market will pump 1,000 points. Then they'll all him and his jabronis will offload their position, and he'll be like, oh, you know what? Never mind, guys. Boom, right back down. Like it's a heavily manipulated market, right? This is just well known at this point. But what are you gonna do, bro? What can we do? Can't really do anything besides just play the game, dude. Literally waiting on Truth Social notifications. I know, bro. I went through the questions and answers. Didn't see where you showed your indicators I asked about earlier. Web. You know what I'll do for you, Web? I'll take a screenshot for you right now. There you go. Web. You're taking these eval all the way to pay out with us. I mean, that's the goal, yeah. You have CFD accounts? No, why would I trade CFDs, bro? Nope. We inverse the 1 hour FVG. Yeah, I know. We did. We did inverse this 1 hour FVG, which means, I mean, all things considered, like if you wanted to take a short, does not look bad on a closure below here, right? Does not look bad on a closure below here. 5-minute closure below here doesn't look bad. Yeah, I know it was pumping. Time to trade the Apex. I have the Apexes pulled up. I mean, if we see a good setup, I will take it on the Apexes. I am not opposed to that. But setup needs to match my expectations here. The short setup is a little bit better here, for sure. 5 minutes left till this new candle closes here. Again, if this closes underneath this low, that's 601. So if it closes underneath 601 here in the next 5 minutes, solid look for shorts. Solid look. It would look something like this, where assuming you get an entry exactly at 601, you'd have a stop loss here at 617. And you'd probably want to target the lows, right? Want to target this. This is what a short setup would look like, an ideal short setup. So we'll see. But I'm more a fan of this 571.5 long instead. Did you stick to NQ to trade? Yeah. Yep. 20 counter which prop firm. Apex, I have my 20 on Apex, bro. 20 Apex, I have TPTs, and I have Lucids. I do use trade Copier. I use trade Copier. Are you going to entertain shorts? I mean, I'll watch them. I'm not going to take the short here, but I'll watch it. I like the long a little bit more. Especially in that 4 hour, didn't really manipulate. Yeah, the only thing is now that these 4 hours are not really manipulating. Like the AMD isn't as clean as it used to be. It used to be very cut and dry, right? Now it's a little bit harder to see. In fact, sometimes you just don't get a clean one at all. It'll just open up and just push in one direction or the other, and then that's it. No opposing wick. So yeah. Trade Copier seems pretty legit. Waiting on getting. Yeah, Trade Copier is pretty nice. I like Trade Copier, bro. I didn't make a video on it, no. Bro, it's pretty simple to use. Trade Copier is not difficult to use. In fact, they have an entire like guide, bro, on their website. Not hard. Can I offer my indentured servitude for a negotiable IRL mentorship? IRL mentorship, bro. I don't know about that. No 5-minute change in state to the downside yet from this inverse 1 hour. Also, keep in mind the 1 hour here has not, on the 1 hour time frame, we didn't take a swing high, right? No swing high was taken on the 1 hour time frame. So, therefore, this inverse doesn't hold too much weight, all right? I'm just hoping this has enough juice to get down to 571. How come you would take a short to the lows when you have a limit that has a potential to reverse? I didn't say I would take a short to the lows. You guys gotta listen, bro. Open up your ears and listen. Bro, I'll do all your errands, and all you gotta make sure is that I'm green. W trade. I edited 2 videos this week. Yeah, Scott Taylor. Let me know when they're up, Scott. Send the links to them in the Discord, Scott. Whenever you get them out. Use things like bookmap for Confluence? No, I don't. Were you ever red on a month recently? Yes, December 2025. I was red. Yup. New sub is Friday. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, Lucas. Yeah, Motri, I answered your question already. Regos, don't tell him about book maps. Some of you guys, bro, I swear to God, I don't know how you guys, like, you guys live on room temperature IQ, bro. Bad reason December, just no follow through. It was just terrible. That was the start of this chop. It was really the start of the chop. So, one, it really wasn't something I was expecting, and two, it was really just no follow through at all. PO3, that's when PO3 started to kind of play out a lot better, but I wasn't using PO3. So, not that I wasn't using PO3, I wasn't using flow model, sorry. So, December, I struggled, and then January, I pretty much made the change, implemented a flow model a lot more, and we have been doing pretty good since. Pretty good. Even in this market, been not so bad. Not so bad. Oh, this guy Coach Fred is back, bro. He's been trying to get noticed for the last, like, 15 minutes. This guy has 0 life. If your limit hits, are you targeting that 1 hour RBG? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Indeed, indeed, indeed. How do you decide which firm to trade what trade? It depends. It's more personal preference than anything else. I'm gonna buy some accounts with Koki. WWWQ. What do you think of top tick alerted? Where? Which one? Which one? Serious inquiry, Key. Would you ever be interested in having a personal assistant? Right now, to be very honest with you, no. But in the future, maybe. Made $500 while listening to you, bro. That's amazing, Coach Fred. Hell yeah, dude. Love that, man. W Coach Fred, bro. W Coach Fred. Ooh, wait. Do we have something here? Tide Union Golden. Let me look in a second. 9. Oh my god, 9. Wait, where's that at? Is this on gold or silver? That was fire. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, Mr. 9. These cuts did you good. That's hilarious. Can you check gold? Yeah, let me see. Wait, 9, where are you short from? Did you take it up here? I actually can't see the... Oh, it's silver. Never mind. Gold, I mean... I'll let 9 tell you guys if there's anything here. I don't see anything here. I'll let 9... that's his specialty, bro. Huh. All right, nice move lower here, coming down towards that 571.5. Stop spamming my chat. Wait, undo. Hold on. There we go. RBG auto drawn, yeah. Yep. Did I do something to... Bro, no disciplined execution. Bro, there's a lot of questions. I don't see them. I don't see your questions sometimes, bro. Sorry. I apologize. I actually just don't see it sometimes. Was wondering about TPT strategy on fundeds. Do you drop down to micro similar to how you do with your apexes? Good question. So for TPT, I don't. For TPT, I keep heavier size on. Only reason is because there's no consistency. So because no consistency, I don't have to necessarily, size down and keep similar size across all my trades, smaller size while I'm going through a trailing drawdown. I'll just go a little bit heavier, and that way it's easier for me to get past the buffer, right? Buffer on 50K is only 2 grand. So if I take one trade with 2 minis, for example, I can cover that drawdown in one trade, right? It doesn't take much. So yeah, for TPTs, I go a little bit heavier. What you take, bro? You guys are worried about the take profit right now. The trade hasn't even hit yet. Like, let it hit first. The take profit is going to be 747.5, okay? That's if it starts playing out. The trade hasn't even, number one hasn't hit, and number two hasn't even went green. So relax, don't worry. Still holding off on the apex. Holding off on the apex, yeah. For now, yeah. Would you say this is the 4-hour manipulation? It very well could be. Very well could be, because I'm thinking that daily, so the daily manipulation here is going to be inside of this hourly gap up here. So it would make some sense for the 4-hour manipulation to be inside of this bullish 15-minute here, and then we can make a move up to this daily, right? It would look pretty good if it were to do that. Only thing is that we have this 4-hour wick CE that could also serve as a potential entry as well. We will just be... We would have flipped this daily green to red. So, look, the higher... As I start doing like a full top-down analysis, I can give you guys a case for both upside and downside here, which is why it's kind of sketchy and the reason why I'm only on evals. Whereas normally, if I come into the market, especially in Asia, I can get a pretty good idea of where the market is headed, and it's typically one direction that I favor. But here, I can make a case for both sides. So I'm just sizing lighter and only taking on evals. If you are taking it on fundeds, then definitely size light, but I'm not taking this on the fundeds. This is going to be eval only. The long that you took, is that still valid when you look at ES? Yeah, it is still valid when I'm looking at ES right now. Still valid when I look at ES. Why do you have Titus L's? Because the levels that I use are very precise. So if it doesn't play out within 10 points, it's not going to play out. 10 to 20 points is my max stop loss, right? If it doesn't bounce from there, then it's not going to do it. I'm going to buy a Lucid Flex with code key. Fire, bro. You are officially entered into a giveaway to win more free accounts. Congratulations. When do you trade your fundeds? LOL, New York is worse. No, I'm not trading New York either. The last time I traded my fundeds was in Asia. It was in Asia, yeah. I just haven't touched them in a little bit because I'm not very confident about this kind of price action. So whenever I am a little more confident about the way that price is booking, I will switch back to funded and everything will be all fine. Trade C or Trade Evade? I hear a lot of bad things about Trade C. In fact, I asked my Discord earlier today. I was like, have you guys used Trade C? Like, is it worth trying? And they said it's not even worth trying. So I would say Trade Evade. I'm targeting the open hourly gap up top. It's 747.5. IMO, this is A+ setup. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if it's A+, just because a higher time frame is sketchy, but it does look good. Oh my god, Phaseroo. Hello, why you so cute? Yo, Phaseroo, you like the new setup? Using Tracy for my Lucid's awesome key, don't have any problems at all. I hear too many mixed reviews. I'm hearing that the fills are horrible, it's super slow, blah, 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 this, that, and the third. Matter of fact, majority of what I'm hearing is all bad. And then I do hear some good things about Trade C as well. I'm not going to take the chance. I'm just going to stick with Trade Evade. I've always been a Trade Evade fan. I've been trading with Trade Evade for 4 years now, so you know, feels almost like I'm cheating on them if I switch, bro. Bills are horseshit. Yeah, I can't do that, man. Would you not want to limit the 0.705 of that bullish leg, or 0.706 of that bullish leg? I don't usually use OTE, bro. It's really not something that I use much, to be honest with you. But we pick out the OTE like this. This area, the only thing with this area is that, you guys see this? This 0.78 lines up perfectly. The only thing is that we will have flipped this daily green to red, and I don't like longing when it's green to red flip. But I mean, we can watch it. What? Where do you go? The fuck did it... Like cheating on your barber. Yeah, you can never cheat on your barber, bro. Can never do that. I had a question about the API keys. Do I unlock that once I'm funded on Trade8 and have over 2K bounce? What API keys? Okay, this guy is getting muted. He keeps spamming, is it okay to copy your entries to pass my eval? You're getting muted for 24 hours for asking a stupid-ass question like that. You think there will ever be a time when Trade8 or on TradingView will allow us to make OCO? I don't know. I'm not sure. One of the winners of the code key giveaway, it's going to be at the end of the month. It's at the end of every single month. So on, what's the last day this, oh my God, what have I done? Oh my God. Last day of this month is the 31st. So on the 31st, I will be live on the 31st because it's Tuesday. So I will announce the winners then. My barber just got sent to the feds. I gotta find a new one. Free my boy. No, you gotta, bro. You can't find a new one, bro. You have to go post his bail or break him out of prison. One of the two. You cannot cheat on him. Is that 720 back there? Yes, it is. What if you, bro? This username better. You didn't even change it. What are you doing, 9? Change your damn username, bro. Hurry up. I heard Apex was cracking down on their codes only being redeemed by one user. Yes, and so was Tradeify, honestly, I think it's because of us. But yeah, they are. They are indeed cracking down on it. Where's DoorDash guy at? He's in the premium Discord, bro. He's chilling. New here, like your stream. What's your entry price? Very similar to mine, I just can't read it. It is 24,571.5. Do you not use API keys to help copy trade? No, I don't. I use Copier to copy trade. Or if you're on Tradeovate, you can use the built-in group trading feature. You don't need to use any API keys. I don't know what. Never done that before in my life. 9, that's it. No, it's too, yeah, it's too, you're doing too much, bro. Like, you just dropped your entire govy, bro. I don't know why you would do that. You could just do 9 trades or something, maybe. I don't know, just a thought. Yeah, Professor, it's, I use Copier, but either Copier or just built-in Tradeovate group trade feature. One of the two. Both are going to be fine. Copier, you can just do multiple different firms together. Is Top Step scam because they removed their interest in I mean, I don't think they're a scam, but I don't like the firm. I don't use it. If you like Top Step or you like the rules and the way they pay out, use Lucid Flexes. It's the same exact thing. Same thing, except it's cheaper. And they actually, you know, are a better firm overall. No BS with Lucid. I can't believe you only have 17k subs. I know, bro. I'm trying to get up there, bro. I'm trying to get up there. Flo, you have to mod me, bro. This shit is insane. Apollo, what are you going to bring to the team? What are you going to bring to the team? Give me your resume right here. Just sub, bro. You seem legit. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Wait, did I hit 18? No way. Oh, wait, I did. We're at 18k. Fire. Yo, guys. Remember, at 20k subs, I have to give away 100 100 accounts here on stream. How am I gonna do that? Oh, we won't even be able to trade. It's just gonna be a giveaway stream. That's it. Have you ever blown accounts? Yeah, of course. 100%. 100%. What software do you recommend? Jonathan Lamb, just like OBS. OBS is a screen recording software. I'm new here and I love this stream. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, my brother. You have 18k subs, but have 800 viewers on our channel. Yeah, I think it's because I'm consistent, right? I come here I try to come here every single day. You know, twice a day, every day, so. You know? Yo, Apollo Trades, why haven't I not seen you talk much? I haven't seen you talk much, man. You gotta talk more in the chat. You recommend only take one take profit 50. No idea what you even said, to be honest. Watching from Australia, love your stream. Thanks, bro. Need a good stream to watch while training Asia my first week attempting it. Nice. Nice, nice. I like that you actually interact with the chat. I try to. I might miss some questions here and there, but I try to as much as possible. Yo, sick warehouse, where can I get one of those? You can't, bro, unfortunately. It's one of one. The guy who built this warehouse, he unfortunately passed away, so there's no more of this kind. You don't think that the 1 hour gap is a good play for a short? Wait. Oh, the inverse 1 hour gap. Yeah, I pointed this out earlier, and I also pointed out the potential short entry too. We got it. Like, if you wanted to enter short, you would have been able to enter right there. I just didn't take the entry because I'm more of a fan of the upside. Whether it takes place from here or whether it takes place from 528, I'm more of a fan of the upside as opposed to the downside. But, you know, it is an actionable setup to the downside, yeah. This background is real. I thought it was a photo or some graphic. No, bro, it is real. Look, real background. Cobra 9. Yo, I actually like that name a lot. Oh my god, bro. Fire name, Cobra 9W. 90% off WTF buying now. Lock in, bro. Lock in, lock in, lock in. What does EOD drawdown mean? EOD means that your drawdown, so the drawdown in your account moves, trails price, or trails your balance at the end of the day. Whereas the trailing drawdown moves as you're in a trade, live, as you're in a trade. Them AI racked Jew traders, bro. I feel like I know what you're talking about. Are you talking about that dude on TikTok? It's obviously an AI, but it's like this old dude, and he's like some Jewish dude, and there's a Ferrari in the background, but it's such an obvious AI Ferrari. It's like horrible AI Ferrari. Yeah, low key, I know exactly what you're talking about. I've seen that exact TikTok show up so many times. Yo, you know what I'm gonna do? Yo, Shinobi, you can't do the clip farm. I can't do the clip farm green screen one and like go over there and start my 720 because I don't have the damn keys over here. I left the keys at home. So say that tomorrow and then I'll clip farm it. That's my goat. No, Shinobi, bad. That's a bad clip. I don't like this clip farm, bro. Go touch it if it's real. What the fuck? Who cares about touching it, bro? I need to turn it on. So I'll do that once I have the keys next time. We were saying that headlights on the Raptor were AI. How the hell would the headlights on the Raptor be AI? Do you live in a warehouse? I just got done saying how I left my McLaren keys at my house. Brother. Aight, let's bank moment. Yeah. Aight, let's bank moment. Exposed for... did y'all see the trader that got exposed for saying a demo account balance was his live balance? Had no idea the trading community had drama. Who? Are you talking about Danny? Danny Trades? Haters will say it's a demo Raptor. Yeah, guys. The Raptor is a eval. It's an eval Raptor, okay? It's not a funded yet. It's not funded. So, it's just there. I can only look at it. I can't do anything else. Once I get it funded, I can drive it. But right now, I can't drive it yet. Doyle Exchange? What the fuck? Who the hell is that? Who the hell is Doyle Exchange? I don't really know the trading drama, bro. I don't really know the drama. TBH. First, if it's somebody that I know, then it's probably because they've been in the game for a while. If it's somebody from TikTok, I can probably guarantee you that I don't know them. Like if they're a TikToker trader, then I probably don't know them. The traders that I know are the people like that were all on FinTwit back then, back when FinTwit was actually a nice place to be. How do you feel about Apex in general? It's fire. So those are not your vehicles, bro. This is what I'm saying when I said the room temperature IQ thing, bro. You guys understand? Like, this guy genuinely thought that I was being serious, that the cars are evals. What do you think about TGR trading strat? I have no idea how he trades. Yo, I am Indian, sir. Gold buy now, 5100. What? First of all, did you have to tell me you were Indian before you told me to gold buy now, 5100? Like, I don't, like, bro. Yo, bro. Oh my god, man. Somebody said he's Indian citizen. Oh, dude. What's faster, a Ford Escape or a Honda Pilot? I have no idea. Are you OC? Are you trying to make like a joke? Is there a joke there? Do you think a long from here 600s would be great reversal candles? I don't think from here. I would still not 600s. I would like to see 570s still. So tempted to take a short. Flex your monthly P&L. What? What do you mean flex my monthly P&L? Yes, I'm trolling. Okay, yeah. Fair. Insurance on those cars has to be expensive. I had an Aston Martin and I know the feeling. No. Insurance on this thing is $320, and insurance on this thing is, bro, it's cheap. I think it's maybe $200. Maybe $200. Honestly, I think it's $100. Did you ever find out what time midnight is? Yeah, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is midnight. Yep. Do you know any gas stations or liquor stores? No, bro. I am not a Jeet. What's up, bro? Been a fan for a while now. Quick question. Do you tend to risk the same amount during Asia hours and New York trading hours? New York, my stops are a little bit bigger. So, I mean, this case here, I have a 10-point stop only because it covers this 15-minute gap, right? So, I don't need to keep a 20-point stop here in this case. New York, I usually do 20-point stops because the range is, it's a little more volatile than Asia, so... Yeah, bro, can everybody like the stream? Everybody like up the stream. All you guys that are in here, like up the stream. Or, we are not doing any more streams, so like up the stream, please, man. Who do you insurance? I have Geico. I do insurance with Geico. All gas stations here are Indian, guys. I'm pretty sure that's like a national thing. These Indian dudes, they got all the gas stations on lock, man. That's why I strictly only go to like Wawa and Sheetz or like a BP. They don't usually own BPs or Wawas or Sheetz, you know? Is that a 720S? Yes. You trade micros, minis. I'm on minis right now. Wawa shakes are goated. Bro, Wawa and Sheetz are so fire, and I genuinely feel bad for anybody that's over on the West Coast or Midwest where they don't have both of those gas stations, because those places are I think, yo, both of those places are just so fire. You don't really realize how fire they are until you really think about it, bro. They're straight 5-star restaurants. Buc-ee's, okay, Buc-ee's is fire too. Yeah, you guys do have Buc-ee's. Okay, Buc-ee's is good. I will say that. You guys have Buc-ee's. Okay. But I think the food selection from Wawa and Sheetz is way more than Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's has some fire food, but Wawa and Sheetz are better, I think. I can't lie. I'm in Florida, Wawa fucks, other gas. Yeah, exactly. I live in Cali, we barely have gas stations. Buc-ee's brisket sandwich. Yeah, Buc-ee's brisket sandwiches are fire. Are you trading right now? Yeah, I have a limit set. It hasn't gotten hit. We're actually moving up without hitting the limit. But this hasn't really hit anything of value here, so... I mean, if this goes without my fill, it goes without my fill. Unfortunately. You guys see how, like, right now, it's not really playing out to the upside. It's also not really playing out to the downside. So everybody who was trying to short this, the 600s, is now red. You know? It's just very very eh. Bro, you fasting? Yeah. Yep. Should the PDA get touched only one time to consider mitigated? And if yes, can we still use it or no? So if it gets touched one time and we deliver from it, you cannot use it again. My rule, like the way that I trade, if that PD array already got hit once before and delivered, I never use that same PD array ever again. Which firm are you on? Do I have to say what firm I'm on? Do I really have to? Can we not? Like, come on. We don't see the big white letters downstairs right there. You guys don't see it. I put it there so that I could, you know, everybody could see. Keyflow, if you need an assistant, I got you. Why are you the second person that asked me for an assistant? Asked me to be my assistant. Do you fuck with hot dogs? I mean, sure, I guess. How does it feel to drive 720 my dream car too? It feels great, bro. You'll get it too, man. It's free promo, bud. Chill it. Oh, this is true. I didn't think of it that way. This is W. I'm trading TPT 50k evals. If you want to trade them with me, code key 40% off, no activation. I'm assistant to the regional manager already. Sorry. Who's the regional manager? Shinobi, shut the fuck up. Stop LARPing my car, man. Delivered, you mean a hit a liquidity pool or just leave the PD rate? No. Well, so if it hits a liquidity pool or doesn't is going to be like the biggest tell about if it is a if it was a proper fair value gap, right? So, for example, if we have a bullish fair value gap, okay? A bullish gap. What do we expect it to do after a price goes and hits it? We expect it to create new highs, right? It should go and create a new high. If it doesn't create a new high, then we know that if it comes back to that fair value gap, it will go and run through it at some point or another. It's no longer a reliable fair value gap because we already tried delivering out of it and it was unable to deliver to a new high. Therefore, invalid, right? So, like, for example, what I see here, okay, you can use a live example. This 15-minute gap, what I see here, I'll run you guys through my exact thought process on this. I see that we hit this 15-minute gap, and we came through, and we took out these equal highs. But as soon as we took out these equal highs, right, there's another set of equal highs just above, right? As soon as we took the first set out, it was unable to go any higher than that. In fact, we get a nice meltdown for almost, we get 80 points, almost 100 points, all the way back down, right? So to me, when price comes back down like this the second time around, I'm not bullish anymore. I wouldn't be bullish out of this fair value gap. It could play out of this. It could play out to the upside. Like, this can go and take a new high, and that's great. But I would never, ever participate in this long here. Not from here. It would have to be from a different PD array, which is why I'm looking at this lower 15-minute as opposed to the current one. Okay, right? Does that make sense? That's why. We should hire a personal assistant low-key, like, actually. I don't know. Let me sleep in the garage. I'll be your PA, or I'll take the warehouse too. First of all, you're not a slave. Like, if somebody was to be a somebody was to be an assistant, they wouldn't sleep in a warehouse. Like, bro, what? That's crazy work. I mean, even though it's heated and cooled and it's all nice in here, but I wouldn't make you sleep here. That's crazy. You would have a good enough wage to get a your own spot at least. Get me a gym setup in there, and I'd be motivated as fuck 24/7 LMAO, bro. There's a gym less than 5 minutes away, bro. So you don't really need a gym setup in here, you know? Hey Key, are you a veteran? I'm not a veteran, I'm still serving. Me and my homies will genuinely be your full-time butlers. Bro, you do not need a butler, gang. But then you gotta work out with the pores. Sometimes you just gotta humble yourself, brother. You know? You're gonna be trading from the warehouse from now on? For now, I am gonna be trading from the warehouse, but eventually, or sorry, for now I'm gonna be trading from the warehouse. for the next week, I believe at some point, I will be at my house, and this place will be getting epoxied. And once the epoxy is done, I'll be back. How does drill weekend feel when you're so successful in AT activations, etc.? It's ass. It's especially worse, honestly, because it's like I lose money going there. I literally lose money going to drill, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, what can I do, bro? I get out soon, so I just gotta survive. But yeah, it's fucking horrible. Your Telegram is dead, Key. I haven't seen any updates in there. Yeah, I don't use it anymore. Yo, Drove, my video on prop firms is coming out, so this question that you just asked me, it's gonna get answered in there. You're still serving looks. The track, it's called Terra Incognita. Yeah, Terra Incognita by Tommy Loude. Why those fib numbers? This is OTE. 720 looks fire, my bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Those Lucid accounts are so free. I know, bro. Lucid. Lucid is one of the best firms out right now, bro. Use code KEY for Lucid, bro. One of the best firms out right now. I'm not even gonna lie. The Lucid Flex account specifically, I like the Lucid Flex the best. I don't know if you guys like the other ones more, but Lucid Flex, I like the best. TBH. Lucid, Apex, and TPT, my current stack, honestly, fire. Very happy with it. Lucid, Apex, TPT. Amazing stack. The Lucid Flex does not have consistency. Eval does, yeah, 50%. Using 50K Lucid Flex right now, you better have used code KEY, brother. Do you have BBS wheels on the F80? I sold my BBSs that I had, the E88s I had. I'm going to get another set of BBSs on the F80. Actually, so it's going to be on a set of HRE 305 three-piece. And then it will be on BBSs after that. Probably a set of like RAs or something, I don't know. How's the payout structure on Flexes? Is the same exact as Top Step. Literally the same as Top Step. Who's the best person to learn off right now? You're looking at him, pal. You're looking at him. When I go for HREs, big baller. The only reason why I'm not going for HREs is because the HREs that I want, which is the 305 ones, the 305 three-piece is like a stupid long wait, and I don't feel like waiting that long. Whereas the BBSs are like super accessible. I can go get a set of BBSs like anytime I want. Would this limit be considered invalid? No, I'm gonna keep it for now. For now, I'll keep it. I'll deem this invalid once it goes and breaks this 4-hour high. If it breaks the 4-hour high, then I'll take it off. But until it breaks the 4-hour high, I wouldn't say it's invalid. Not just yet. Not just yet. So this is everybody that was talking about this 1-hour gap being inverse. This is literally what I'm trying to tell you guys, right? You guys understand? 1-hour gap being inversed here to the downside doesn't really mean shit when there's no sweep of a swing high. If there's a sweep of a swing high and then you get an inverse, that's a proper inverse, right? But because there is no sweep of a high, this is not a valid inverse. Hence the reason why we are back through it. We just re-inversed the inverse, right? That's what just happened. So bought your WAP about a month ago. Since then, passed my first eval. Now I'm getting my first max payout from Top Step. The dream is it. Dude, let's go, brother. Hell yes. Let's go, bro. Fire, fire, fire. At prop firm at 16? How are you gonna get a prop firm account at 16? Oh, your dad is doing it for you? Probably shouldn't say that out loud because that's not like a... I'm not supposed to do that, but either way. Yeah, I mean, if he's doing it for you, then do it. Have you ever learned order flow? If so, what are your thoughts? No. Yeah, you can't just like, you can't really like co-sign for a what's it called? For prop firms. I stacked 10 apexes after your code 90% and I got 5 top steps. Is it worth investing in Copier or is it unreliable? No, Copiers are good, bro. It depends which one you're using. I use Tradecopia. I've had 0 issues with Tradecopia. If you set it up right and you use it the proper way, it's going to be completely fine. Gotta hit the hey key. What would be your near TP limits? My TP limits would be just one. I would have this 747. We have equal highs up there. And then right here, equal highs right here as well on NQ. Yeah, I mean, equal highs across the board. Equal highs across the board. These two equal highs right here. Solid TPs. So this is, the first one is 671, and then the second one is 747. Make sure if you're going to sleep and you're putting this limit up, that you send a bracket order. Do not put this limit without a bracket order, okay? Set a bracket order. Fair warning. Do a bracket order. What's a bracket order? How? Okay, I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, so first you're going to pull up your long position, short position tool. So right here on the left-hand side, like you guys can't see it, but on the left-hand side where all the drawings are, it's going to be the forecasting one, okay? It's right above the one that has the brush. Okay, so right here, it's going to show long position, short position. So you do long position. You place your long position tool exactly where you're going to get the entry. Then you put place your stop thingy wherever you're going to have your stop loss, and then your TP wherever your TP is. Once you have this set like this, you right click, hit create limit order, and then put exactly how many minis, micros, however much you want. So let's say you want to take this trade with 1 mini, then you just have 1 right here. It'll show your take profit tick, stop loss ticks. Right down here, it'll show you exactly how much you're risking, exactly how much you're looking to make. So I'm risking $205 to make $2,000, right? All that sounds good. And then you just hit buy and make sure it's on limit. And what this will do is, if your stop loss gets triggered, it automatically removes the TP. If you're, that's like the biggest thing, because if I just go like this, right? And I have my limit, my buy limit, and I have my stop loss, and I have my sell limit. What'll happen is, if this entry does not get hit and it goes up to my sell limit, which would have been my stop, which would have been my TP, it'll just put me in a sell up here. You know, that will blow your accounts. So yeah, you can do it with a market entry as well. Yes. Absolutely. You can absolutely copy trade a bracket. Yeah, you can copy trade a bracket, because once it cancels on your leading account, it'll cancel on your follower accounts too. What are the indicators you use? This one right here, market profile by Joshu, and I have simple ICT OB by GK, and then I have ICT HDF candles by Fadi. How come sell stop is so close? Just because if it dips below, trade isn't valid? Yeah. It should not dip below is the idea, right? Should stay above. Background's fire. Thanks, bro. How far are we going to go? Well, we're for sure going to these equal highs, like minimum. It goes to 747.5. I think it goes 747.5 at least, right? We have those equal highs there. These equal highs right here. This is like low-hanging fruit, to be honest. This 671.5. This should for sure get hit. 747 I would like, but I think 671.5. So on TradingView, set bracket on leading account. Yeah, but it has to be, if it's getting copy traded across all the accounts with a trade copier, yeah. Main strat, what do you trade off? I don't reveal my main strat here. It's only in my Discord, unfortunately. But I do reveal another strategy to you guys in here, which is just as effective. Just different kinds of entries. Why aren't you buying now? There's no setup here. 1x 150 count or 3x 50k counts. Always 350 counts over 150k. Always, 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 always. Highlighted red area is the current Asia session. How do you set your stop loss? So you just hit buy or sell, and then you go to wherever you want your stop loss, and you right click and then hit stop. Pretty simple. Why don't you use SMT? Who said I don't use SMT? Who said I don't? Tell me. Dodgy did. Dodgy said that I don't use SMT? What? Why 3x 50k counts? Because you can have less risk and make the same, if not more money. Would I set a bracket order on all of those? You just set it on your main one, and it'll set it on all of them. TP here would be 671.5. 671.5 is a good TP. What? Alright, what would you like me to do about that? Oh. You got bored? Yeah, sure. I just started watching the streams yesterday. This guy's legit. Thanks, bro. I reevaluated trying one micro long off 24,590. How often are you active in your Discord? I'm active all day, bro. Would you short here? If I would, I would be in a trade already. Guys, my student is here watching, if anybody's curious.
Go jump on the McLaren. Got you. Oh, dude, we have a volleyball. G.
What's the strategy you teach on here? It's the flow model. I teach the flow model on here.
There's a bear behind.
It's a bear behind you.
Who the fuck? Alright. Yo, we should do a segment where you pretend to teach me to.
We're not pretending, though.
Talking bad shit for someone whose McLaren is in a keyable distance. In cum shot range, by the way.
What the fuck are you doing?
Whoa, what the fuck happened? Holy shit.
What is wrong with you, man?
Crazy shit, bro. I almost fell asleep. V8? Coming from someone with no V?
What's the flow model or strategy? I teach it. I have like multiple videos of it on here on my YouTube. If you go to my videos, it's the latest one I think is my 7-figure model explained. I explained it in there.
New viewer here, where's the thing where I can send you $10?
Wait, what did he say? New viewer here. Where's the thing where I can send you $10 for dealing with all these people? That's so funny.
Donation.
Oh, that's hilarious. What'd you say?
I'd imagine I just give you an IRL donation, pulled out my wallet.
Yeah, you can't give donations on here, I don't think.
I have mine turned off.
Yeah, mine are turned off too.
What do you have at this long area?
No.
What do you have?
Shinobi, can you explain Silver Strat? I need help.
Close your
Yo,
eyes,
9,
bro.
you do not need help, gang.
There's no strat to silver.
Bro, why is everybody that's
Dude,
Indian?
they do it
Why do you
for
guys all
YouTube.
do this? Bro, okay, no hate to anybody that's Indian, right? Why the fuck do all of you guys come into the chat and the first thing you do is you have to feel the need to tell everybody, hey guys, I'm Indian. This guy joins and he goes, hi bro, I'm from India. What am I gonna do about that information, bro? Like,
You know why?
welcome, bro, congratulations.
You know why they do that?
What am I supposed to do about that, though?
You know why they do that?
Why?
Because I learned this because I had the same predicament. They come in because they see you're brown, and they're like, oh, if I tell them I'm Indian, I'm brown, that is gonna create some sort of
The
bond.
fuck? I don't give a fuck. I'm not Indian, and I don't give a shit.
It's a troll. I'm Indian too. No, the hi, bro. That's how you know it's a legit one, bro. Thanks for calling us Indian.
I key him Spanish.
I am Spanish.
Because,
No,
yeah, this dude is clearly Pakistani. Bro, he's Persian.
No, if he said hi key, I'm Spanish, it would have been hola key, I'm Spanish.
I'm from India. You just broke my heart, bro. I'm not trying to like offend Indians. I'm just asking why do they all do that?
Guys,
why does everybody
best
do that?
friend's Indian.
Yo, release me, bro.
Yo, dude, this guy's got the funniest one-liners. He was like, "Release me," and then today I was standing behind him at the Best Buy. He looks back. He's like, "Retreat." What the fuck do you come up with this terminology? But he said, "Retreat." Why do they bob their heads? Wagwan Bomba Clan, I'm a real Jamaican gentleman. Yo, your chat's funny as hell.
No, my chat is mad funny, bro. There's actually it's actually a very good mixture of serious and funny and dumb.
My chat's just full on.
Your chat is just full retarded.
See, I can't even say that word. I censored myself because
Exactly.
I can't say it on TikTok. Bro. Full on retarded. Retard. It feels so good to say it.
Yo, why is Brown Drewski co-hosting? Oh my god. That was funny as fuck. Oh shit, that was funny, bro. Yo, Shinobi, you gotta give him a free funded account for that, bro. For that good, that was a good one. You gotta give him a free account for that.
Let's do this. Let's have a try not to laugh challenge. You guys say some funny.
Yo, bring your fucking thing.
Oh, my prize wheel.
You're gonna give him an account.
I'll give him an account.
He deserves an account, bro. That was a good joke.
Wait, I gotta tell him a story when I bring it.
All right.
Love how we're being so joyful about. We're bringing a prize wheel where half of the prizes are nothing.
All right. Basically, oh fuck, it's on the wrong side. All right, well, we're gonna spin this, and if it lands on anything other than nothing, so if there's a bunch of nothing, right?
Yo, Loki, put it in the middle.
Huh?
You move to that side like that, and then because this is in my way.
Why the fuck does it matter?
Because it's the feng shui, bro. All right, now you scoot a little that way. They've already seen the McLaren at this point.
Okay, so if it lands on something, then Jay, you get an account. Okay. All right, spin it. Go ahead.
Ready? All right, he wins nothing. No, you don't.
Bro, give my boy an account, bro.
All right, we'll do
Let him get one more spin at least, bro. He deserves another spin. He made you cackle, bro. Like, he deserves another spin.
All right, what's your arm? All right.
Hey, let me spin it.
No.
Why?
Because you're gonna do one of these.
No, I'm not.
Right.
I'll do a good spin. All right, ready?
Dude, it's
Bro, no way,
I
bro.
landed on the same one. He didn't want
Bro, what the fuck?
He tried, bro. Bro, listen. When I was trying to give away accounts on my TikTok stream, I was sitting there and I was like, "Yo, there's these two traders beefing, Turbo and Parkham, right?" So I hit up Parkham.
Bro, we're not about to get into this, bro.
Wait, no,
like,
let me tell you how I got
this
the
is
accounts.
OD, bro. We shit on TikTok, bro.
All right, fine. No, you can shit on him, but look, I was like, "Yo," I told one of the guys, I was like, "Yo, the other guy's giving away 5 accounts." He's like, "Oh, I'll give away 1." I hit up the other guy, who I didn't hit up originally. I was like, "Yo, your enemy is giving away 5 accounts." He's like, "I'll give away 10." I got 11 free accounts to give away. Just like that. All right. You want to do a try not to laugh challenge, and whoever makes us laugh the hardest, we give them a spin on the wheel? Shinobi breathe.
Yeah, but they're gonna start. It's gonna be forced, bro. It has to be natural, bro.
Nah, like something's got to be funny. Well, Shinobi is funny as hell. LOL. All right, EL7 trader gets a spin.
No, bro, what? No, that's not. That's what is this glaze? What is this?
I don't have the Sharpie.
What is this glaze spin, bro? That's we're not doing that.
Give me an account because I'm Indian. All right, whatever this lands on, you have to give to us. Oh no, it just landed on TPT 50K. You have to give us a 50K take profit trader account. Which
Nah, you know what? You know what?
Well,
you know what?
Get into a show for you. You could get for 40% off and no activation using code KEY.
No, yeah, this is true. You can. You can. Somebody said, Jay goes, give Jay another spin.
How does it smell? How does it smell where you're sitting right now? Say wallahi before you say your next words. Because I know damn well it smells like pine sol where
Next to Shinobi.
Say wallahi. I put pine sol everywhere. I know exactly what it smells like right now.
Loki smells like ass, guys.
I'm right here.
It smells like shit, guys.
Say you swear. Say wallahi.
I didn't even say anything.
Yo, Loki smells like ass. I'm literally a cum shot distance away from you, bro. I don't know why I explained it like that.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
I don't know why I explained it like that. I'm sorry, but just so you know how close quarters we are right now.
How can I enter a giveaway? All right. The first person. No. How can we do that?
First person to...
All right, guys, we have come up with a giveaway, okay? We have come up with a giveaway. So, the first person that is in the free Discord, that is in my free Discord, by the way, if you're not in the free Discord, do ! Discord command in the chat right now. You'll get a link to it, the free Discord. Join the free Discord. The first person to go and get a gallon of milk and write code key on the gallon of milk and send a photo of it gets 3 spins on the wheel.
First person.
Not 1, but 3 spins on the wheel. The first person to do it.
All right, pull up the Discord so they can see who sends it first. Everyone. Look at Nady trying to get a free account, bro. They can't see it for some. You gotta do the.
Yeah, well, they're not gonna be able to see it right now. Bad day to drink oat milk only. No, you could. It could be oat milk too. It's fine. It's all right.
No, but if I see like a quarter, like
no milk in home.
I don't drink milk. Funny ass drink.
I'm lactose intolerant, bro.
1 liter milk, not gallon. That works, bro. No milk. Yo, these. Oh!
No way, he did it. Yo, only did it. Only was first. Only was.
People have code Kieran.
Oh my god. Alright. Only was first. Only was
Wait,
first.
They're still coming in. They're still coming in. Look at how many people wrote on their note.
Alright. Only one, guys. Only one.
Oh my god, bro. This is
Okay, where's only?
Only type in the chat.
Only type in the chat, bro. Where you at, only?
Yo, they dead took pictures of that shit.
Only where you mom's
So many moms gonna get his lunch code.
Yo. Where's only, bro? Why is he not answering now?
No, you have his Discord. That's what we need. Bro,
I tagged him.
Yeah, so you can just DM him.
Yo, bro, what is this AI photo, bro?
Bro really tried, bro. Of course he's Indian too.
Where's only?
Only.
Yo, if you don't answer, I'm picking the next winner, which is I something. I'm only. No, I need only to type in the Discord.
Someone's mom gonna wake up and use code key. No, this isn't the only giveaway. We have a.
Yeah, we're gonna do more giveaways. We're gonna do more giveaways. Don't worry. Only's typing. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Exotic milk.
Huh?
Look at that exotic
Oh,
milk.
yo, the limit is almost hit too. Okay. Only. Let's do some spins.
He's peeking.
All right, spin. Only, you're gonna get 3 spins. All right.
I get the first spin.
All right, go ahead. Bro, stop doing it so fast.
That's like the whole suspense of it. Well, that's my indicator. I don't think he wants that.
No, he doesn't.
So
Okay, only, huh?
That's a respin.
Okay, yeah. So now you have another spin. So you have a free spin. You have 3 total spins still. Go ahead.
We should play some music in the back. What does that feel like?
I have music spinning, or I have music playing.
Yes.
Okay,
I mean, fuck,
that's nothing.
Fuck,
2 spins
fuck.
left. 2 spins left. Go.
You want to do the second one?
Yeah, I'll do the second one.
One month premium for free.
1 month premium for free? Holy fuck! What the hell?
So only gets 1 month
Bruh.
for free. Give him a roll for 1 month.
How do I give him a roll for 1 fucking month?
Have your mod make go into the WAP, make a 1 month link for free, and give it to
Okay, okay. All right, only I'm gonna get you the. I'll get you the free. I'll get you the free 1 month premium. All right, don't worry, I got you. All right, you have 1 more spin left. Let me do it.
No, you did the
No,
last
you
one.
did too. You did too.
Oh, true.
Apex 50K. Wow. All right, only. I am sending you your Apex 50K.
I thought I was giving away the accounts.
Are you? Oh, go ahead. Send it to him.
I was just gonna send him $30.
All right, send him $30.
Only, what's your Cash App?
Only, what is your Cash App, only? We need your Cash App, only.
And then we're gonna show it on the stream as well, so you guys know we're not both.
Yeah, we'll do it in front of everybody.
I'll send him 50.
All right, he's gonna send you 50.
50, and then you could get a new gal in the middle.
And you have to use code key on the Apexes. Only, I need your Cash App, my friend.
You said W spins, motherfucker. Type your Cash App, dumbass.
Where did he say that?
In the Discord.
Oh.
He said W.
Only, give me your fucking Cash App. What are you doing? This dude's taking forever, bro.
Bro, it's faster to get the milk, bro.
Yeah, bro. What the hell? Jay goes, Loki, shouldn't I get 1 more spin?
Click 5.
Clake 5. All right, send it to him.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this? Yo, he got a skin. Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, I look crazy skinny. Yo.
Yo, you might need to give Will a spin for creating this.
Hold on. Damn. Who is that?
It's you. It's
No, but I
it's
don't
an AI. It's an AI version of you,
No, but I don't wear fake. That's fake Chrome, and that's a weird watch. I don't.
bro. It's a prompt. It's a prompt. You can make it. You just take a picture of your face and you make the prompt. Like that's your face. Ain't nobody else looking like this, gang. Trust me.
Yo, when I get red, I'm gonna look like that. When I get all my red up. All right.
Yo, I can't be friends with you if you look like this. I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Cause like, what if you're not funny when you're skinny anymore?
Bro, I'll never lose the funny. That's the only thing I've had going for me for 30 years almost.
All right.
23. Hold on. Card might decline. Did not decline today. All right.
All right. You have been sent the money only. Congratulations.
All right.
Congratulations only. That was the first giveaway winner of the stream.
Should we go on mute and come up with a new plan?
All right, guys, we're going to go on mute and we're going to come up with a new plan for the next giveaway winner, all right? Wait, how many viewers do we have and how many likes do we have? First of all, let's fucking get that out the way first. 822 watching, 316 likes, guys. 400 likes for the next next one.
That's a great ratio. I thought it was about to be like 30.
No, 400 likes for the next giveaway, okay? I'm gonna tell we'll tell you guys exactly how you're gonna get entered, okay? Don't worry. But 400 likes, we're at 361 already. Goddamn. Get them numbers up. Only 40 more likes. That's it.
One more galaxy, guys.
All right. Let's. Guys, can we get some ideas? How do we pick the next winner for the next giveaway? How are we gonna pick it?
I'll tell you guys what the idea was so far. I was gonna make you guys call your ex and say code key.
Yeah, but that's not. I don't want to do that.
But we don't know how to verify if it's your ex or not.
Yeah, we need a better one. Pick a number. No, pick a numbers. No.
It's gotta be something funny, bro.
Yeah, it has to be something like creative.
The milk gallon shit was funny as fuck.
Crack an egg on the head.
That's so easy.
Yeah, no.
What is this 2016 fucking
duck run?
What's a duck run?
I don't know.
Alright, you guys have to do an elephant walk.
He goes, 9 goes, I can't. All of them blocked me. 100 push-ups.
Send a goofy email to your teacher. What is this, middle school?
Make them drink the whole gallon of milk that said Copier on it. Yo, how did I not get filled? What is this? I didn't get filled, bro. I got edged.
How are your buy limit buttons so big? Why did you change the size of them? Muy caliente.
Go bald. Let's see Shinobi run to the McLaren and back.
Fast as fuck, boy. That's a Trump tweet that caused that. You know he out of breath. Didn't see shit. The big ass wheel is in the way. Key, gonna pray for you at Tahajjud. Can I have a spin? Ooh, religious bribery.
Earthquake.
Shinobi is AI, fake McLaren too. It is. I don't think you guys know. It's an inflatable McLaren. If it was real, he would have sat in there and turned it on. Oh, shawarma jiggle. I've never had shawarma before. Dude, we gotta come up with an idea.
I know. Let's come up with one.
Guys, help with some ideas, pal.
Guys, help me.
Who pulls more game? What? Right key on the arm? Bro has his pen sitting like this, right? It's saying right code key on the arm. He's gonna be like, he has it written probably already. First person to unfollow Shinobi. Wake mom up? Why would you wake your parents? How work in the morning. Whoever has the oldest car, bro's got like a fucking Model T in his garage. How did you guys link up? So Key was a waiter at this restaurant I used to go to.
No, the fuck I was not. Okay, stop. Shut the fuck up, because you're gonna tell some bullshit ass story here.
Russian roulette, bro. You guys are crazy. Nobi has never told a lie. That's what I'm saying. Never told a lie. They met at a glory hole. He was the one doing the sucking.
Make someone record themselves eating an onion like an apple. Nah, because there's some weirdos that genuinely enjoy that. They will eat an onion like an apple.
Loki, wait, hold on. Mute yourself real quick.
Guys, we're tapped into the trade. We are tapped into the trade. TPT evals only, okay? TPT evals only. No funded. I'm not taking this on fundeds. I'm probably gonna call it a stream after this one, though. It's late, bro. It's almost 1 a.m., bro. What the fuck?
Should we do one more account stream?
Bro, hell no, bro. I want to do one more account giveaway, but how? Where are we doing it? This is gonna go back up, bro, but this trade is gonna stop me out, I think. This is gonna go back up, though. It has to go back up. Just because of midnight.
Bro wants me to come up with a fucking riddle. All right,
Come up with a riddle.
Can I tell them
no.
what they need to do for the account since I'm giving away?
What?
First person to run outside their house, prop the camera down, and yell, "Use code KEY on TPT for 40% off and no activation," and then make the video and send it in the free Discord. First person to do it wins a free spin.
That's OD for one free spin.
No, but then
they should get three free
they get a
spins.
double or nothing.
What do you mean they get a double or nothing?
So if they win, right, they could do a double, and they could get 2 accounts. They can do that as many times as they want until they lose.
Okay.
Are you guys negotiating spins right now?
Buddy asking too much for one spin. Why are you spamming one? Why are you spamming one? Please tell me.
At 1 a.m., bro. All right, we'll do this. You get 3 spins. Someone's already probably done it. Why are they all spamming? Because you mentioned it. Five at least.
I'm gonna move the stop loss to the new low that we put in right there. Shinobi, I'll give you 3 spins if you do that.
Am I gonna get the accounts, or am I gonna?
I'm gonna go do it for the love of the game, not because I want an eval. We are not the same.
Bro, if I go do it, we're at a warehouse complex, bro. Oh, I forgot what he said.
Use code KEY for 50% off on TPT on evals.
He just did it. He did it.
What did he say?
He said use code key.
Use code KEY for 50% off.
Use code key for 50% off on TPT on evals.
All right. Uh-oh, Stinky wins.
All right. Uh-oh, Stinky, you win. All right.
You know what? You know what? Since he did it without negotiating, he gets 5 big booms. No, he gets 5 spins.
5 spins? Damn.
I'll give him 5 spins just because
All right.
he was a real ass motherfucker and he went and did it, regardless if it was 1 spin or not. Uh-oh, Stinky, you get 5 spins.
Guys, the target here is this high. Oh,
I'll take these long. I'm gonna add them up.
right there, that high.
Oh, I almost added 10.
All right, here we go. We're spinning.
Oh, wait, I was doing the first one.
Bro, you can't just fuck my spin like that.
Hold on. This is too loose. Oh. Wait, he did it twice.
Use code KEY on TPT for 50% off and new activation.
This guy is the GOAT.
He gets 1 month. In
No
Keys
way he got
Discord.
1 month for free too, bro. I'm fucking giving everybody fucking free premium.
That's one. That's 1 spin. The second spin, you make sure you. Uh-oh, Stinky. Make sure like write something so you know he wins. This guy's a real ass motherfucker. I don't know how to type. How did you just zoom in? All right.
So far he won a free month in premium.
And he wins a Tradeify straight to funded 50K. How much is that?
Tradeify straight to funded?
50K straight to funded.
I don't know. Let's check. How much is this Tradeify straight to funded, guys?
Don't worry. Hey, I got a code.
Oh, you do?
I got a code.
All right, so send it to him.
Here, send him this. Send him one of these codes.
Yo, uh-oh, Stinky, I'm DMing you. Just look at my DMs, all right?
Give him that last one.
$50K?
Yeah, it's a 50K.
Okay.
All right, he just got his straight to funded 50K code.
All right.
That's 2 spins he's won already. 3rd spin, bon voyage. What goes up must come down. All right, 3rd spin, he won nothing. You want to do the last 2?
Yeah, I'll do the last 2.
He's already, dude, it's already worth it for me. He had to go outside, look stupid.
He's already up, bro.
Look stupid for 5 seconds, and he got 5 spins. All right, he got
Damn.
nothing.
All right, last spin.
Bro, he's already got a straight to fund it and 1 month in your Discord. That's already like, what, $200 worth of value?
Way more. Oh, he was so close to the Lucid.
Just because he was real as fuck?
All right, and he won a Lucid 50K as well.
Tell him to DM you his Cash App. I'll send him like $60 for the... I'm telling you guys, bro. You guys think me...
Yo, Stink, check your DMs, buddy. Check your DMs.
You guys think we're oh, it's one. We did that on purpose. When we were talking, we're like, yo, we're gonna make them do something crazy, outrageous. We're gonna say it's for 1 spin, and whoever does it, we're gonna give him 5 spins. He came up with that idea, actually. What's his PayPal? Oh, why do I have $300 sitting in my PayPal?
Well, there you go. It's free.
Yo, I have $300 sitting in my PayPal. Should we do more giveaways while this trade plays out? I'll give away all this 300. I don't
give away the entire $300?
Well, it's 227. I rounded up.
Okay, well, we're about to give him, that's his self.
That's Loki W promo. You could post that on your story. That would actually be fun.
Do you trade with your real strat every stream? How often do you stream? Yeah, what do you mean? This is my real strat, buddy. You sent it? All right, how much is left? All right, there we go. The second winner of the giveaway has been paid. How much is left in the PayPal? You actually want to give it all away today?
Yeah, fuck it.
All right.
$207.
$207? We can do 100.
No, that's like 4 accounts.
No.
Whichever one of these accounts they win. If they win a TPT 50K, that's $100. Apex is like $40. This is $50.
Apex, hold on. Apex is actually 90% off using code key.
Oh,
yeah.
So they could get it for $29.99?
They could get it for even cheaper than that.
Oh, what a bargain.
Yep, what an absolute bargain.
And then Tradeify straight to funded, I have codes for that. Tradeify 50K select, like $100. So we give away a few more accounts. What? Oh, but it's 40% off using code key for the month of March?
For the month of March, yep.
Fucking way, bro. I'm about to go buy so many accounts right now using code key.
Insane.
All right. How do we scheme a new giveaway?
I don't know.
Guys,
I'm getting tired, bro. I need to leave.
You do need to leave.
I need to leave.
Because I look, you need to go.
You need to leave. You need to leave. All right, guys. I do have to head out, okay? Manage this trade how you guys want. It's nice and green. You can move your stop loss to break even here if you want to. I'm going to wait until we inverse this 15-minute here to move this to break even, okay? If we can get through this 15-minute, I'll move to break even. Great. Otherwise, I'll just keep it here. Like, it's cool. No worries. I'm fine with it. Because we're trading between 2 15-minute gaps, so I'd rather just give it some room. And this is an eval, so I'm okay with risking, 9 points on this? Not a big deal. TP on this is 671.5. We have equal highs up there, so I do like that. Make sure you guys tap in for the next stream. We are going to be giving away more stuff on the wheel, and yeah, man. So have a beautiful day, guys. Have a beautiful rest of your night. Love you all, and peace out.